Hi, myself Sukanya, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration in Dr. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So today I am going to discuss the topic called how to create a keyframes. So this is nothing but what is mean by keyframe is it is we are going to fix in some point in the flash application. So here in the flash we can create we can animate any object like we can animate shapes or we can animate an original image. So like editing is done in the flash. So here how to create a keyframe. So first before going to that, how to open a flash. So for opening the flash we have to select a start all programs Microsoft Visual Microsoft Flash Mobile. So in that Flash movie we have to select the file new. We have to open a new file. So in that the empty space will be open, that is the environment, flash environment. It contains many parts like file menu, that is the menu bar, and the working area. In the right side we have the toolbars like it may be present in left or right side the toolbars and the properties, and in the down the timeline will be presented. So in the timeline only we are going to create a keyframe. So this is the working area or environment for the flash. So it contains four things, that is the menu bar and the flash in working area, and the third one is the properties and toolbars, and fourth is the timeline. These things are mainly present in the flash environment. So here how to create a keyframe here. So the first one, for that we have to create a object, like it may be in any shape. For example, I am creating a ball object, that is a circle. So I am just creating a circle object from selecting the tool which are present in the toolbar. So I am just selecting the circle object in the toolbar and drawn in the working area. Just I am selecting and drawn in the working area, and I am setting the color for the described object, that is the ball object, and just setting the color. So after that we have to create a keyframe by selecting the insert menu. From the insert menu the keyframe will be presented. So here the insert keyframe. Here before selecting these things we have to select the timeline. That is in which time the object may be present in which places. So just I am selecting the choosing any one timeline. It may be it will be in a 5, 10, 15, 25 intervals it may be presented. So I am just selecting 15. In that place I am just right click and do the insert a keyframe. Here the object will be at that time the object may be present in any places. So I am just moving the object from any places in the working area. In the 15th frame I am just doing. So in the 15th place I am creating the keyframe. How we can identify that one is in that place, that is the 15, the down of the 15, it just create the filled circle, that is the filled circle will be presented. So in that filled circle only shows that I am creating the keyframe in the particular timeline object. So it may be in some places I didn't create a keyframe, means it will be in a empty circle will be presented. And likewise we can create a blank object in the working area too in the particular timeline. For example, I am setting the blank object in the 20th timeline, means just I am selecting the 20th timeline and just inserting the blank keyframe. In that time it does not show any object in the working area. That is the concept for blank keyframe. In the keyframe I am setting the keyframe for the particular object and just I am moving from one place to the another place. So this is the concept for how to create a keyframe and how to insert a blank keyframe. So here in this video we discussed about the how to open a flash environment and what are the fields present in that working in the flash environment, and how to create a keyframe and how to create a blank keyframe. So that is, this is the main part of Flash Mobile for animation. So how to run a Flash Mobile means we have to select the control menu in the menu bar, and test or play will be there. So here, or else you can press enter, it will be automatically play the screen. That is, in the beginning where the object will be presented, and in this keyframe place where the object will be presented. Curve will be, wave lines will be the presented. That is, the ball object will be moved from one place to the another place, where are the timeline, in the timeline the created keyframe will be presented. Okay, thank you.